What is going on, everybody? This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13, and today we have Aaron's 2017 Chevy Camaro SS, where the SS stands for Supremely Stylish. What I have just completed installing are the Diode Dynamics RGBW Switchback DRL boards, which replace the boards that are in that assembly right there. Also installed the Diode Dynamics Pro Series Demon Eyes, which are again RGBW in the factory HID projector. We also upgraded the turn signal bulb with the Diode Dynamics XP80 series amber bulb, and that is actually it. I did not wire it in line with Diode's suggestions. Diode suggestions, if you install this thing as they prefer, then it will override to be a white DRL at all times when the engine is running. And since the intention here was to be able to drive around with red, that requires a different sort of skill set as to properly install it so that it could perform that way. The controller has two independently isolated inputs to turn it on, one of which is the ignition circuit, so anytime the engine is running, they will still automatically turn on and off with the car, just as the OEM DRLs did. However, they will retain memory of the last color that they were on. So since the last color that these things were set on, it was red, they will turn on as red when I start the car. Let me demonstrate. Okay, so in this particular instance, the headlights also kicked on automatically because apparently it's too dark in here, according to the car, and that's totally fine. However, what that means is that we aren't going to be able to see the Demon Eyes in action, just the fact that, look, it started and the lights are on, and that was just all I was trying to exhibit by that point. Okay, now that I've properly fumigated myself in the shop and I am huffing some super sweet premium gasoline fumes, let me show you the other feature that is added to this. The downside to wiring a Bluetooth controller to a switched ignition source is, let's say that you want to turn them on as you go into a store or while you're parking lot pimping during a car show. There's no way to turn these on right now unless you start the engine and walk away from it, which of course is unreasonable, and we're not going to do that. So the workaround is to have an additional switch. So on this particular car, I installed the switch right there, kind of in the kick panel area. It's actually installed into the carpet. I put a plexiglass backer board there that I drilled it in, and when you push the button, you see it lights up the little halo. Really pretty. And then that will turn the products on. It provides power. So now we can see that we have Demon Eyes and DRL board. Now these are both running off of the same controller, which is the Diode Dynamics Bluetooth controller. It does have 4 channels of output, so we're utilizing all 4 of them. As you can see, this is the pure white mode. We have blue, we have green, we have red, and everything in between. Isn't life grand? Moral of the story is, it's cool, it's done, it has all of the features that we want, which, oh my goodness, reminds me of one last feature, because it does the turn signal as well. Okay, turn signal apparently only works when the engine is running on this particular car, which is lame, but whatever. You see, the idea is that rather than this tiny little bulb alone in there, we now have that entire DRL strip that blinks with a turn signal, which, if you ask me, is pretty much the way that Chevy should have done it from the beginning, but hey, that's what I'm here to do, is fix the OEM's mistakes. Okay, that's all I have to say on this one. Pricing and product information will be in the video description. If you are interested in a local build for yourself, by all means, contact information will also be in the video description as well, so feel free to reach out to me with your requests. Thank you so much for watching. As always, guys, I appreciate it. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. Have yourselves a wonderful day. I shall talk to you later. See ya!